Welcome back to Origami Videos. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this lucky star. All you're gonna need is a long piece of paper. This is from the A4 format and it's approximately 1 centimeter wide. We'll start by making an upside down cancer awareness ribbon, like this. And we'll fold this shorter part in through the loop. Once we've made this, we will tie the knot. Make sure that it's firmly tied. And once we are happy with our pentagon shape, we'll just tuck this shorter piece of paper in through this loop here. Now we'll start to roll this longer piece of paper around in this pentagon shape. Make sure that you are following the first lines. Once we ran out of this paper, we'll just tuck this part of it here in. And if a little bit of paper is sticking out, you can take scissors and cut it away. All we need to do next is just to pinch corners in so that we'll put a pressure in the middle of the lines. So pinch it in. And take time with doing this. And now we've made our lucky star.